To buy TrumpX AI token. So this token came under the symbol of TXEI. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. Now, as you can see, before going and buy this token or any token, make sure to check the X accounts and keep following their updates about this token. Now, and this token, as you can see, it's available on CoinMarketCap. So as you can see here, to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here, and this token address came under the Solana network. Now open your Phantom wallet for that. Click on swap here, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet and click here. Now paste the token address. So this is our token, click on it here, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So this may be the high price. Now you can increase and decrease this amount. So for me, I will just type this. So as you can see here, after that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, but make sure to read all of this information here. And after that, click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now after that, if you face any issues, let's go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slippage. And after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy TXI or TrumpX AI token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.